how are you doing today? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to English lesson. Today's topic is travel and transport. First of all, let's watch our lesson objective. Name different modes of science, explain ways of traveling, understand the main points in extending talk on the topic, learn more new words of traveling.
Emergency exit, platform, baggage claim, duty free, passport control, international departures gates, mind the gap, upper deck.
Students study new words. Emergency exit, platform, baggage claim, passport control, duty free, international departures, mind the gap, upper deck. Now exercise 1. Look at the signs. Which ones can you see? In an airport, at a train station, on a cruise liner. Exercise 2. Match the signs to their meanings. Listen and check. A. You must be careful as you leave the tube. B. You can follow this sign to get to the top of the ship. C. You should collect your baggage here after you have landed. D. You can buy products without import tax here. E. You must go through this in case of a fire, earthquake, etc. F. You must present your identity papers here. G. You have to go here to get on a flight abroad. H. You have to go here to get on a train. Explain the signs to the class. You must go through the emergency exit in case of a fire, earthquake, etc. You must go to the platform if you need to get a train. Please explain other signs. You are doing well, students. As our lesson was about travel and transport, I took traffic lights for our feedback. If you don't understand, choose red color. If you have a little problem, choose yellow. If you understand the thing very good, if it is very clear, choose green. The lesson is over, so I will wait your comments. Bye.